Hold up.
Welcome back guys to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to do reverse of a string. So let's get started. String str is equal to jack. String reverse is equal to string dot empty for int I is equal to str dot length -1 I greater than equal to 0 I minus minus and reverse is equal to reverse plus str I dot to string outside this will be console dot write line reverse console dot read line. Okay, now I'll run this and we'll see whether it is showing correct output or not. So you can see this, it is showing correct output. The reverse of jack is K, C, A and J. So it is showing correct output. Okay, so that is it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel and I'll be back with another video like this. Thank you.